Picture of? Molly, okay. What's that? Is that Molly's head? Cheese. What are those?
Legs.
Legs. What are those?
Legs.
Lots of legs.
Eye.
Molly's eye. Her other eye.
Okay. And
Where's my eyelash?
Her arm.
Arms.
Arms.
And
How about her nose?
no.
Nose.
Nose.
Oh, and her mouth.
Where's my ear?
Nice.
Yeah.
Ears. Right under the arm.
I like how I'm
Mom.
shouting at Sal.
And another ear.
Where's my
Oh,
ear?
some hair. She needs some hair. Wow, Sal, you are an excellent drawer.
I know I am.
Her hair's a bit messy.
I think I need to brush it that day. I think that was a bad hair day.
Uh-oh, your picture's all gone. Dexy,
That's
say
because
cheese.
it's my hair.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Molly, stand beside your picture so I can see if it looks like you.
Bye-bye.
Oh, Sal looks just like her. You fixed it?